emails, a whole bunch of unread emails. We're going to get started by hitting this gear over here and going down. You can see you can change it. I'm going to keep that at default. You can change backgrounds, but more importantly, I want my unread to be on top. So there we go. That's the first thing to do. The second thing to do is to go into here, back to your gears, and go to see all settings. Filters can be a game changer. So I've got 65 unread emails. If I go to those emails and I see I've got a whole bunch of like these recordings, right? I don't really want those to be there. So I can create what's called a filter. So if I'm getting an email from the same company, the same people, I can help organize it a little bit better. So I'm going to go here to these three dots, or you can go to the gears. I'm going to go to these three dots, actually. I'm going to go down to filter message like this. So anytime I get an email from meet dash recordings, blah, 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 blah. Maybe you're getting from like Google Classroom or Canvas. I am going to create a filter. I'm going to have it mark as read, skip the inbox, and then I'm going to have it jump into a folder. So you can create a folder, and this one, I'm going to call it Google Meet Videos. I'm also going to go down here where apply filters like this. So these will grab stuff that's in your inbox and stuff that maybe you've already checked that's just sitting somewhere in your email. I'm going to hit create filter. It's going to take a second or two. And there we go. I'm going to refresh my inbox. You'll notice I went from 65 emails to 15 emails, and that right there is a game changer. So the two things I wanted to show you was just kind of setting up your inbox so that unreads are on top. Hopefully those are the priority. And then creating filters. Let me go back to filters real fast and go to see all settings and filters. And so you can get in there. If you ever need to edit a filter or even delete a filter, you can do that too. So for example, I don't need Twitter sending me a whole bunch of emails. So I have it go mark as read, delete, and it just skips my inbox. And that's how I manage to keep my emails to a low number. Hope this helps. Throw some messages in the comments on ways that you keep your inbox clean. Thanks.